Hello and welcome to another episode of this Build the Lego City train set series that we're doing at the moment. Just a couple of messages coming in from you from the previous videos there. How do I say that? Prohadaction, I think it says, whoa Chris, best, adios, thank you very much. Weird City says, coming along nicely, thank you Weird City. Mr. Flopper is enjoying the video and he's going to give us a subscription, so thank you very much to you, sir. And Ian's there. Do you remember me, Ian Lightfoot? I went to your leaving do in Mortlake. Yes, you was working with me at BT, wasn't you? So thank you very much for those, boys and girls. Okie doke. Right, we're getting on with this. If you ever want to leave a comment at all, feel free. So down the bottom, anything to do with this, all right? At the moment, we are building one of the trains now. It would seem I still haven't managed to get out and get some more batteries, which I need for putting in this thing, whatever that is. I still haven't discovered what that is yet because we've kind of skipped over that page. My sister, and I would love your comments on this, okay? My sister has suggested I just shut up and not talk and click it together. She quite likes the clicking sound. I might get her one of those clickers for Christmas, as she likes that so much. But she thinks I should literally just be doing this and not talk. If you've got any thoughts on that as well, please feel free to put them underneath and I will listen to you. Okay, alrighty, let's carry on then. Come down here. Much closer there. All right, and we'll carry on. We've got a little bit more light here now. Let's just turn that light up and make it a bit brighter and you'll be able to see it better. I wish, to be honest, I wish I was doing this on the table, but because my bleeding feet get pins and needles. But there we are. Right, we're here at the moment then. Okay, as seen on the other. So we're on this page now. Just a couple of little bits to put there. Like that, okay. It's a little bit white on that sheet, isn't it, actually? You can't see what's going on. I'll try and stay on the black bits here for you, all right? And that goes on there. Really simple, isn't it? It's wonderful when it all comes together. Ah. We might get stuck here. I've got a feeling I need the battery thing, but we'll see. In which case, this might be a very short episode. So I think that's going there, and we've got these sort of corner things going on. Oh, well that don't seem right, does it? Unless it goes around the outside, does it? Now that's interesting. Why is that? We haven't got any more room down there to put that, have we? Oh, I see. Hang on a minute. That can't go any further than that. It looks like I've done something wrong here. Possibly. We've got 4 of these. And 2 of these corner things, one there, another one here. But of course, if I do that, that's not going to go on there. What have I done wrong here? See, that's like that, but that's not correct. And this is what I said to you a little earlier on in the series. It's all very well gluing stuff together, but if you make a mistake, and it looks like I have here, you can't sort it. No, I haven't. I haven't made a mistake. Ah, that's got to be sticking out, is it? Okay. Like that. No, that's not a mistake. These do go right to the end here. So that sticks out there like that, yes. although I had that on wrong. So we'll turn that back over, take these two corner bits back off because that doesn't look right in the picture. That goes as far as that one there, from the looks of it. And that will go down to the end with 3 showing, which is correct on here. Can you see, look? So you've got 3 on the end here. And we've got 3 on here. So how does this... Oh, I see. No, it was right. It was right. It's me. It was right, look. They go around there like that. There you go. See? All right. And these two go down here. Oh, terrible pins and needles kneeling down like this. I need, do you know what I need? A little stool in here or something like that. Right, now here's this electrical thing that we've got. I'm guessing this is it looks like it's got wires on it anyway. So we've got this. What are we going to do with this then? That looks like it's just showing you what the thing is. Some sort of motor perhaps turning around here, I don't know. Right. Is there any parts required? No, it's just showing us what it is. Right, let's see. So we've got wheels to put on here. 6 long things. Yep. 1, 2. I beg your pardon, 2 of those. 2 of those. So we're making 2 wheels here. Are they the right ones? No, they're not. Oh, there's other ones, look. It's these ones. These ones here. They're different. So we make 2 of those. They're like little square things on the end. And they go in there and out the other side, according to the picture here. There we are. And 2 more wheels for the other side to be put on. How fabulous. 1. 2 there. Oops. Fallen out. Here we go. Wheels on there. It don't feel right to me, but that's what it says, so we'll carry on. Now we're looking for this strange sort of bracket type thing, which is here. And it's going on the side here and here. That doesn't look like that's right. Oh yes, it is. There it is. There it is. There. Put it the wrong way around. Okay. Oh, I see. Right. So that holds the wheels on. Ah, look at that. Right. The wheels are under here. There's probably one for the other side, I would imagine. Or whether we're doing a front thing first. Up 2. It does say 2, so that's 1 for each side. There's the other one. Okay. Now that you can feel in there now a motor. You can feel a motor. Did I put batteries in this one? I can't remember. It's so long ago. This might not be the one I put. Have I put batteries in this? No. There's definitely a bit of resistance in there, which feels like possibly a motor going in there. Anyway, we carry on. Ah, look, that's what's going to provide the power to it. Obviously, in another part of it. Okay, so let's get this front thing on here. I'm not finding that. Is that it? Nope. Oh, there's some bits in this bag here. That looks like it. There we go. There it is. Oh, it's a little... Okay, it's got a little bit on it. Right. See that moving? So that's that. That one there. And we're putting this on the front bit. Ah, there we go. I think I had it upside down then. That just goes on there like that. Little thing at the front there. Excellent. Turning over. Now we're oh, this is all coming together now, isn't it? Look. Fabulous. Turn this upside down. And the wire is going through the top there. Can you see that? So we've got two holes here. I'll put that through there. And which way up does it go? Oh, I think that's it. Attach it to the top, maybe. Now there's a little hole there that goes all the way through. Can you see it? Only one of them goes all the way through. So, no, that's saying it goes in the second hole, which doesn't go all the way through, but let's follow the instructions and see what happens if I push that in. Oh, that works, okay. That's worked. Oh, look at that. I'm excited now. And we'll pull that through like that. And then we're going to make something else here. Put that to one side. This is what we need. We're going to make this other little wheel set here, I suppose. So one of those. Black things here. It's going over the back like that. And the same one for the front. Got a red one to go in the middle. Yep. And two side pieces. There they are. It looks like they just stick over the edge there, so obviously going on the end ones. If you're never quite sure, you could always count the little stick-up bits in the middle of 1, 2, 3. So there's 8 there, and we've got 8 there. 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's obviously correct. And we're sliding some wheels in here. How does that happen? From the bottom, okay. 4 wheels to slide in here. Right, turning it upside down, and by the look of it, you literally slot them in there. Yeah, easy. Click, beautiful. Oh, it's nothing more satisfying than a click. That's what I miss with real buttons on telephones. You know, a satisfying click rather than a blooming touch screen. Want to hear it again? Here we go, listen. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, sis, she likes the clicking noises. There we go. Turn it up and we've got this yellow thing going on the top there with a bit sticking out, which goes on there like that. Okay, and this is going in the other end here. 1, 2, 3, 4 holes from the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See that 4th hole there? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the sticking up thing that's going to go there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just push that in like so. Yep, lovely. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. Right. Now we're making this thing. Now what is that? Some sort of box type affair. Oh, there it is. Box type affair. Okay. We want 4 of the little blue light type things. They're going on each corner. Ooh. Oh, that's a bummer, isn't it? Now, where's that gone? Oh, I'll tell you what, I'll look a bit later because they've given me a spare one here. They often do that with these tiny little things, but you'll only ever get one spare. Okay, 1, 2. Can you see that all right happening there? 3, 4. I'm just going to have a very quick look for that blue one. I've just had, there it is, I've got it. There it is, I've got it. Oh, I dropped it again. Idiot. There we are. So those 4 on there. And we've got these 2 bridge type things which appear to go in the middle somehow. Yep, in line with the blue bits. Don't know what that does, but yeah. Okay. Now, I wonder what we do with this, because that's not clear. Goes underneath, does it? Okay. Right, this is going here, in between the 2 bits that we've already put on. So, is that fairly easy to go on there? Oh, there we are. Click in, there we go. It's the undercarriage. How's your undercarriage doing? Don't answer that. There we are. I must say, that doesn't feel particularly strong. So I hope I'm doing that correctly, that one. I feel that's going to drop off while the train's going around. Oh, we'll see. Lovely. No, it doesn't. That feels okay. Right. So that's all in position there. You can really see this train starting to take shape now. They're not small, are they? Fabulous. Turning over now. Some sort of round thing. There it is. Round thing here. One of those, which is going here. 2 S-type things. There we are. Which are going here. Okay. And then the blue thing, which goes on top of the yellow and the grey things. Oh, there's that click. And we've got that beige one and a round circular thing to go on there to make like that. Oh yes, note that there's a little gap there. Can you see that little gap? There's a little gap there, so that has to line up across the other bricks, otherwise it won't click into place. There we go. Done. All right. Some side bits here, I think they are. What are they? White ones? Yep, whites. One. There's the other one. And a little grey thing. Is it grey or black? Could be black. Oh, there it is. Little black thing it is. It's almost like a sort of vent type thing, which is going on the top of that in the middle. And then the two white things go around the front here, I suppose like bumpers or something. Just clicking on the side. And moving on, a black thing and a white thing to go in the middle there. Looks like that is alright. Looks like the front, doesn't it? I don't know. And then odd-looking thing here. Yep. One of those which goes. Now, how does this go? I don't know how that goes on there. Work that out. Don't know how that goes on. See, does it go any other way? That's like that. It looks like it goes on here, but ooh, I'm stuck. Are we missing a part here at all? We've forgotten to put, it looks like to me like I've forgotten to put something on there. Let's just go back one or two. No. That's that one there. There's upside down with the bits on it. That's like that there. That all looks like correct. So when you turn it upside down, it looks like there's another part here. Can you work that out? Oh, Chris is stuck. See, look. Like that. And it ends up like that. Unless, let's turn this page and have a look at the other side. No, then it gets turned up the other way again. somehow it says this fits here. Or does it go up the other way? Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, turn it upside down, you idiot. Okay. So it just clicks on with one thing, does it? Somehow? There we go. Duh! Okay, so that's on there. And then we got this little white black two-step thing there. Take all these out now. Which goes there, I believe. There we go. Alright, can you see that alright? Yeah. Oh, first time I've got stuck on this. Right, two white things here. Turn it back up the other way, and they are going up to there. Oh, I'm knocking that thing off there. I wonder who designs all these. Very clever, isn't it? How it all fits together. That's that and that. Right. And, oh, here we go. Sticker time. I think it's sticker time, boys and girls. Let's have a look. Yes, it is. It's sticker time. And then we'll... I think we'll wrap this little episode. Oh, and let's do another couple of bits so we can get some, because we're nearly done this section. Right, sticker time. So these are going on the side. That way. Can you see the stripe? The stripe on there, right? And that's going there with the down bit at that end and the up bit at that end. So we'll put those on. Once again, try not to touch the middle of it because you'll put a finger mark on there and you'll be so disappointed with yourself. This is the hardest thing of all, putting stickers on straight, isn't it? Well, not too bad, eh? And the same with the other side. So you've got the long bit at the front. Try and hold it by the dark ink, then you won't make it horrible. There we are. Well, that's a bit crooked, that one, never mind. Who's going to notice? Right. 4 and 5 there. Now we've got two little grey things we want, or black things. Are they grey or black? Good question. I think they're grey. There's a grey one. There's a grey one. And they go here. On this end. Oh, idiot. Got to put that back on there. How does it go again? It's that way, isn't it? Yep. Alright. Where did we get to? So we put our little grey ones on each end. Now we've got a couple of glass ones to go on, or blue plastic, as in here, with the points going outwards. Oh, I've done it again. Points going outwards like that. They must be the lights. Once again, this is broken off. How annoying is that? Got to be the front, innit? Do you think? Aha! Now we get to put it in position. And it looks like it's over the... Oh, it's on the other end, is it? Which end is it going on? That way. And it's bit... Is it that way? No, I don't think it is. No, it's that way. How does that fit on there? Like that? There's my two things there. I think... Does that look right? Oh, hang on, we've got some more bits to put on first, have we? Or have we? That's on there like that. How does this attach centre here? For the second time, we're stuck here now. Does that go under there somehow? I really don't know. That's the bit there. That square thing there. And it says that should just line up with the front somehow. Well, it says a 7-year should be able to do it. It's got me at the moment. You know, let's just put these other things on here. No, you've got to have those. That's got to be on to be able to do that. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. It says they should go over there and it should just click in, but it's not. I wonder if I've got that the wrong way round. When it fell apart. Is that possible? No. Or is it? Flummoxed. I'm just going to take that off for a moment. I'm a little bit stuck at the moment, gang. That underneath. It's come off from somewhere, isn't it? Let's just have another look here. I think it's possibly something's gone on the wrong way here. was on there, wasn't it? That was on there. Okay, that was there. Now, according to this, the wire is the other one, is through the other hole, and yet I've put it through that hole. So I've done something wrong there. Let's just take off these. See if we can find where this error is. According to this, the wire... I wonder if I put the wheels on the wrong way round. Is that possible? Because the wheels are on the wrong way round. I can see it. I'm pretty sure the wheels have gone on the wrong way round. So we're going to have to go backwards, aren't we? Yeah. Look at that. Can you see? Those wheels are definitely on the wrong way round, which means this may well go on there now. Yeah, it does. Look at that. Wheels are on the wrong bloody way round. Idiot. Oh, so we're going to have to go backwards, I think, to possibly... Well, let's have a go. So I'll put those through there like that. That's correct now. What was under here? Why is that there? Oh, does that attach to here? Does it? No. Oh, God. I think we will have to go backwards a little bit and see what that yellow square thing's about there. My feet are absolutely killing me here. Gosh, we've got to go back a long way, look. Oh. Where's that big square thing then? Oh, surely not to the end. No. Just imagine, again, I say, had I glued that in, I'd be in a bit of trouble now, wouldn't I? Right, this yellow thing, see, that to me looks like the yellow thing the wheels are attached to, the little wheels. Maybe I've got that on the wrong end as well. That's going to be on the wrong end as well. Except it's attached to something now. There we go. So that must just go into that, I would imagine. Can we get those back there? Yeah, it makes sense now. I had the wheels on the wrong way round, and this goes in hole number 2 from the end. Yeah, there it is. 1, 2, that's it, which is empty. Right. And then what? We've got something on the top there as well, haven't we? I've probably removed a load of blooming stuff now, that's the trouble. Right, this thing here, where's that go? Was it that? Yeah, that's the other wheels, isn't it? So they, along with that on the top, which I've had to take apart, they go 1, 2, 3, 4 from the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4 from the end, click into position. There we are. Okay. Going to put these other bits back together. The undercarriage in the middle. That's looking a little bit better. We made this. This has got to go somewhere again, isn't it? Where does it go? There it is. That went underneath, didn't it? Was it? That went underneath. That's all there. We put the stickers on, we put the glass on. Right. Hey! Hey, look! Clicks on the top there. That's it. Oh, it's a big train, isn't it? There we are. Just a few things to put on there. You see, this is the whole point of doing the whole thing from top to bottom. You can see the errors I'm making and what have you. It's all about making errors. Then we put these little things on here. And a yellow thing in the middle, which goes there. And I think, oh, we've got a little grate thing there that goes there. It's just there. And two little red things, 1, 2, which go up the front here. And we'll leave it there for today. All right. There you go. That's what we got to so far. A lot longer this video. Sorry about that. That's just because we run into difficulty. But that was the whole idea of doing this bit by bit with you, so you can see where I go wrong, and perhaps you won't make that same mistake. See you for another episode soon. Hope you enjoyed it. Any comments down the bottom there. Thanks for watching.